Hi everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. In order to know how much power we really need, we need to understand what is 80+ standard. 80+ is efficiency standard for 20, 50 and 100% load. In order to keep up with the standard, each power supply needs to be at least 80% efficient on these loads. High efficiency means that our power supply can convert wall power to all the different parts with less than 20% difference. For example, if we take a 500 watt power supply at 20% load, means we use 100 watts on our computer parts and from the wall maximum of 125 watts. Simple math. As time went by, making a normal 80+ power supply became cheap and companies wanted to differentiate themselves by adding a level of metal for that 20+. And thus came the bronze to titanium standard, that higher efficiency curve from the lowest metal up the ranks. While so far platinum and titanium are the best ones with well over 90% at different loads. Efficient power supplies doesn't necessarily mean that they are the best, since there can always be a power surge and any voltage drops. However, it's more likely to have a better materials on the higher standard models. Of course, we always suggest watching or reading reviews on the model you aim for in sites like Johnny Guru, which I hope all familiar with. The 80+ standard doesn't specify for any loads under 20%, with the titanium as the only exception. This will help us decide what is our power supply range should be. If our office PC can load up to 100 watt, taking a high capacity power supply like this 1300 watts beast from Antec will not only be a huge waste of our hard-earned money, but will also means we might not even have the efficiency standard. In order to know how much power supply our PC will draw approximately, of course, we can enter a power supply calculator and fill that up. For example, let's assume that our PC will draw up to 400 watts at full load and 120 on idle. In order to know what our maximum power supply power needs is to divide the idle consumption by 0.2, which will give us a maximum of 600 watt power supply at 20% load. While knowing our maximum output is 400 watt, we should aim to buy a 5 to 600 wattage of power supply. Since we already go for the 80+ efficiency, it doesn't really matter whether we go for a silver or platinum, since it's basically semantics here. Though while going for the titanium level will give you a 90% efficiency in most if not all cases. The option between modular or not is personal preferences only and shouldn't affect the power needs of your system. Really hope this video will help some of you out there. If you like this video, hit that like button, get subscribed for future content. As always, thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next one.